Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do a tangled called 2-S. And this tangle is by Mina Zhao, and I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but let's do this. We'll spell it out here, M-I-N-A. And last name is H-S-I-A-O. And this is episode 12. All right, so for this one, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna do this S shape. And keep in mind, you're gonna wanna kinda keep your starting point and your end point along this kind of invisible vertical line that we're gonna say is here. So what you're gonna do, start about here, and you're gonna come out, come around, and back up. And then we're gonna do that again, kind of mirroring that shape. Next, what we're gonna wanna do is kind of think about it as, we're gonna start from this point again, but we're gonna come from the inside to the outside. So we're gonna mirror this line here, and then we're gonna come on the outside and come back around. And then for this one, it's gonna be kind of the opposite. So we're gonna go outside to inside. So come around, outside, keep on the inside, and then back around. And that is the basic way to do 2-S. So same with some of our other heart patterns. You can play with these lines. You can, do patterns on the inside, use it as a filler, or just kind of like in, your design. It'll be, you could do cute little hearts on the outside too. But that is a quick and easy 2-S for you guys today. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.